Hi angels, welcome back to another summer DIY. So in this video, we're going to be making some embroidery straw clutch. I saw this on Pinterest and I was like, oh, that's such a great idea. So I got these, what do you call them? Embroidery trims. I got all of them from Joann's. I went to Joann's and I picked up a few. By a few, I mean everyone that they had available. You're also going to need some hot glue gun, some straw sticks, and some scissors. And I think that's it. By the way, I'm going to be using some placement mats. They came in 4. I don't know exactly where I got these placement mat from. Probably from Walmart. I don't know. I had these for a while now. And, oh, I do recommend getting an E6000 glue. And you're going to see why. So the first thing first is these straw sticks. I'm going to be using 5 for each. So 5 of them I'm going to be gluing on top of each other. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm using my hot glue gun to just glue them onto each other, because that's what you're going to need to be able to get in and out of the clutch. So this is the first step. Very easy. Be very careful since it's a hot glue gun, so it's going to be burning your fingers. So yeah. So this is where I messed up. I decided for the sides I was going to use the hot glue gun. That's a bad idea. I would 189% you using the E6000 glue, because if you use your hot glue gun, it's going to keep on lifting up. The glue is going to keep on lifting up. The sticks are going to fall off. It's not going to work. So recommend using your hot glue gun right here. Not hot glue gun. Why do I keep on saying hot glue gun? I recommend you using your E6000 glue, and it will last longer. You can have this for years to come. So don't use your hot glue gun. Use your E6000 glue to glue it on. And you'll be good to go. So this is the first step. So I'm adding a little bit of glue onto the top part of the stick so that I can obviously stick down the clutch, the placement mats, so it can make an open and close bag, because that's what we want. So that's what I'm doing right here. And then just place it on top. As you can see, a little bit of the stick is hanging out. If you want, you can just cut it off, but I personally did not care, so I just left it just the way how it was. And you can see you have this little gap in between, so you're good to go. And that's how the sides look. You can paint the sides or do whatever you want to do with the sides. I just decided to just left it just the way how it was. These are the magnets. I think I got these from Amazon. Oh yes, I definitely got it from Amazon. Now it's time to start covering up this bag, or should I say clutch. So these embroidery trims that I got from Joann's, all I'm going to do is, this part, you can definitely use your hot glue gun. It's going to stick on perfectly fine. No problem. It's not going to be lifting. So we're going to be using our hot glue gun, and we're going to be sticking on these these trims, so that I can cover up the bag completely. I don't know why I can't talk, but yeah. You don't need a lot of glue. Just glue on the edges and you should be good to go. And that is what I'm doing right here. So for this, we're going to be completely covering up the clutch. Completely. The reason why I said that you don't need a lot of glue, because if you use a lot of glue and then you press down on it, because you do need to press down on it to make sure it doesn't lift up, then the glue is going to be seeping out. So that's why I just recommend you don't need a lot of glue. So just a little glue and you should be good to go. By the way, I'm going to be using a mixture of some fringe, some lace, some embroidery, so like whatever Joann has available, that's what I picked up. So that's what we're going to be using to cover it up completely. So that's what I'm doing right here. By the way, I didn't like the red lace, so I decided why not just try to cover it up the best I possibly can. But I wanted to wait before I started using up everything, just so that I can make sure that I had enough to cover up the front, the back, and obviously in the middle. So that's what I'm doing. Adding on a little glue, placing down the trims, pressing down on it so the glue can seep all the way through it. And that's it. This is how one side of it looks. Came out cute. By the way, I will try to find some of these just in case you want to make your own. Probably not. Don't think anybody will, but still gonna be leaving everything down in the description box below. I'm gonna try to find where I bought the placement mat from. So we're just gonna keep on repeating the steps all over the clutch. All over the clutch. This, I wanted to make it because I had plans on going to Mexico, but clearly those plans were canceled. But I said to myself, just in case I had the opportunity to go again, then I could have simply take this with me. But who knows? Maybe it's gonna have to be next year or the year after that. I don't quite know, but I still wanted to make it just so that I can have it available for me for whenever I need it. And this is a cute summer bag, but summer is probably canceled. So I just finished the front and the back, and this is how it looks. It looks so good. I'm very, very happy. And this is the inside of it. So when you open up the clutch, this is what it looks like. So I decided why not cover it up with some embroidery. So that's what I'm doing right here. I had some extra one left over. Well, I had a lot of it left over. So many left over. So I decided to use these ones because they were, I don't know. I just liked it, so I decided why not just use it. So I'm going to be using my hot glue gun, the exact same thing that we've been doing throughout the whole video. We're just going to be covering up the inside of this. By the way, I was not paying close attention. This is the back side. I should have flipped it over. But for the last one, I decided to just flip it over just to add a little style. So when you're looking at it, when I finish it, you see, oh, well, that's two different colors. One look brighter than the other one. That's why. They're on the backs and the fronts. It's like two different, but doesn't really matter. So we finished everything. The last step is to actually add the magnet. So with the magnet, I put them together so that it'll be easy and I won't be able to shift it around. Add a little glue, and that's it. Add a little glue to the bottom and to the top, and that's it. This is very, very simple and very, very easy. And you can just easily get in and out of it because it's a magnet that can just help you and you don't need to fidget it or anything like that. I was just pressing down on it just to make sure that it's secure on there properly. And that's how it looks.